In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. If somebody asks us, do you want to change your life for better? Each one of us will instantly say, yes, of course. I do want to change my life. Rather, I want to bring the major changes, maybe the major improvements in our life. That's fine. And is it possible, by the way, to is it possible for each one of us to bring certain and major changes and improvements in our life? Definitely it is. No doubt it is possible and quite possible. Everybody can do that, but everybody will not do it. Can and will, there is a big difference between can and will. Everybody who can will not do it. That is why we need to understand the difference between the can and the will. Today we are going to talk about it. All what is needed to bring the changes, the positive and the constructive changes in our life, require only two things. Requires only two attitudes. Requires only two habits of ours. How simple it is. Isn't it something very simple? I shall say rather it is once you listen it, you do have to admit that it is the simplest ever program, although everybody is not going to do that. First of all, we need to enlist all the things we want to acquire, all the skills we want to develop. Each one of us want to learn certain skills. Without exception and exemption, each one of us want to bring certain and major changes in their lives. How to do that? Enlist the things which you want to do. Enlist the skills you want to develop and you want to polish in yourself. After enlisting all that, start ranking them, prioritizing them. Having made the list and the priority setting, then I shall say that erase all that except the top three. Either one or two or three. Though there are people who are doing it in four parallel lines as well. But usually 1 to 3 are enough. We should start working on those three things on a daily basis. What type of these three things are? These are learning certain skills in ourselves, developing certain skills in ourselves, learning certain skills. We need to know that it is only the learning, it is only developing certain skills which can take us forward. Otherwise, we will remain the same. If at all we fail to develop our skills, certain skills needed to become a successful human being, if at all we are uninterested in that, or we don't even know that, then there is going to be no progress and development in our life. Start practicing all those three things. Start learning those three things, three skills actually. Start learning those three skills. How to do that? How to learn it? Simply observe one thing. Simply observe one thing. Keep doing, keep practicing, keep trying all the skills you want to learn on a daily basis. Spend a little bit of your time upon it, but on a daily basis. Spend a little bit of the time upon these things, but on a daily basis. Keep improving the input. Keep improving the quality and the quantity of the work you are doing. Keep developing the quality of the work and the quantity of the work you are doing or you want to start doing. Then, second, but either equally important or even more important, is that we need to bring certain reforms in our attitudes, in our habits. Some of the attitudes and some of the habits are very bad, not good at all. We need to actually throw it away. We need to actually get rid of it. If you can do that, if I can do that, if anybody and everybody can do the two of these things, let me tell you with enough amount of confidence that we are going to win, we are going to succeed. Anybody and everybody who is determined enough to start the two of these things, to carry on the two of these things, let me tell you with a total amount of confidence that this person is going to bring a kind of silent revolution in their life. It is as simple as this one. No complication involved in it at all. Thank you.